This is Invicta watch. Invicta Roulette watch. Look at that. It's a nice box. But look at this watch. They are massive. This watch are massive. Okay, this is like automatic. Let's remove this now. And this is, look at that. How to open it up. Goodness. It's a good one. Okay, I will have to remove this for a moment. Hold on, let me. Interesting, look, I bought this watch on Amazon for $330, but they put the price tag for almost for $1,600. But on Amazon it was $300. Anyway, look at the nice watch. Ooh, look at that. How to rotate it? Kind of rotating back and forth. I wanna rotate it one way. Hey, rotate it one way. Okay. Could you make him number? Like I don't see numbers. Could you make a number? Okay, let's do number. I don't know, number 7. Let's do number 7, and let's put it horizontally so it doesn't. It should be strictly horizontally. Number 7. Oh no, I didn't win. I didn't win. And look, this is massive. This is massive watch. Look at that. Okay, I need definitely to change the bracelet. I need to resize it. Look at it. It's like 5 centimeter watch. It's 5 centimeter watch. It's like 2 inches, and thickness is like 1.5 centimeter. This is heavy. Anyway, cool guys. Thanks. Bye.